हाउ टू चेंज लैंग्वेज इन VLC मीडिया प्लेयर। VLC मीडिया प्लेयर में लैंग्वेज किस तरह से चेंज करना है आइए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लिक ऑन दिस and open VLC Media Player. Then you have see here tools. Then click on it and go to preferences. Then click on it interface option. Then you have see this option. Then manage language is auto. Click on it. Then you select the favorite language of yours. So I select Hindi if available. So I click on Hindi. No, Hindi not available. Why? I think auto, this is auto, but Hindi is available. मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, but I think American English, I think this is, and if I click on it Bangla, so this language is, then click on Bangla, then click on save, and you can see language have been changed. So close VLC player and restart the VLC, and you can see the language has been changed. So I can change this the other language. Click on it. So this is method to change the language in VLC media player. Thanks for watching this video and channel को सब्सक्राइब प्लीज़ यार सब्सक्राइब करना